Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican green spaghetti. Let's get started. I got all my ingredients right here to start off with. I have spaghetti noodles, garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, onion, cilantro, Chile Poblanos, Monster cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, a tub of sour cream, and cream cheese. And for the first step, we're going to go ahead and char our Chile Poblanos. I'm going to be doing this for about 15 minutes on medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, I'm going to bring to boil about 3.5 cups of water and consistently checking on the Chile Poblanos to make sure that they're charring evenly on each side. Next, you're going to be going ahead and adding a tablespoon of salt to your water. Make sure you season the water. Next, you're going to be using half an onion cut up into wedges to add to your water to flavor it for the pasta. Make sure that it's at a medium heat so it can start boiling. Now checking back on the poblano peppers, I'm going to be flipping them over, making sure they're getting an even char. I ended up adding an extra chile poblano to make more sauce, just because I like it to have that flavor. Alright, so my chiles are perfectly charred now, and I'm just flipping them over to make sure that it's even. Now I'm going to be taking them out and putting them in a Ziploc bag. Now I'm just placing each individual chili in the Ziploc bag to make sure that they're going to be steamed for about 15 minutes, and I'm just going to leave them there and let them work their magic. Once it's been completed, I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the bag. They look pretty steamed to me. So I'm going to be removing the first layer of the chili. Awesome. So now that my water's boiling, I'm adding my pasta and I'm going to let it sit there for about 9 minutes. For this step, I just like to grab the chili and remove each stem. This is going to help me with removing all the seeds inside the chile. And furthermore, I'm going to go ahead and just toss the stems out. And I'm going to slice the chili in half to remove the seeds. By doing this, it's just going to make it so much easier with the slicing and removing. Watch out though if you want to wear some gloves or something, because it does, depending on the heat of the chili, later on in the day your fingers can start to burn. Next, in my blender, I have my 3 chile poblanos, half of onion, a handful of cilantro, and I'm going to be adding 3 garlic cloves to this mix. After that, adding an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a small tub of sour cream, about 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and a tablespoon of salt. Proceeding, I'm going to be adding an 8-ounce carton of heavy whipping cream to the mixture, and then to top it off with a half a tablespoon of black pepper. I then am going to blend until the mixture is well incorporated and I'm not seeing any of the big chunks of the chile poblano in my blender. Next, in a medium-sized pan, I'm going to be heating up some oil, and I'm going to be incorporating my sauce and allowing that to come to a simmer. I then add half a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese to my sauce. I'm going to go ahead and stir that, just to make sure that it's well incorporated into my sauce. My spaghetti noodles have been drained, took out the onions. Sauce has come to a simmer. Turn off the sauce, and I just add a little bit at a time. But then by the time I added the first spoonful, I realized it was a lot harder than it needed to be, so I went ahead and just grabbed the pan, and I'm going to go ahead and pour the mixture over the spaghetti because it was so much work to just do one spoon at a time. Nobody has time for that. Well, I don't, so we didn't do that. After I poured in the sauce, I'm just going to be mixing the sauce all around, making sure that all my spaghetti is covered. And for the last step, I'm going to go ahead and grab the package of Monster cheese, about 3 to 4 slices, and I'm going to cut them in half. Just incorporate that into the spaghetti until the cheese is nice and melted. we have our final product. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.